How did a boy from very humble background build a 12,000 crore footwear empire? In today's video, let's uncover the incredible story of Campus Shoes, a brand that has left international brands behind. Stick with me to the end to understand how Indian grown brand became one of the biggest manufacturer of footwear. Let's dive in. Campus Shoes is India's one of the most powerful footwear brand. But do you know, it all started from a very small local brand. The mastermind behind this company is Harikishan Agarwal, a Delhi-based entrepreneur who built this empire with zero funding. Sounds crazy, right? Born in the 1950s in a very middle-class family, Harikishan saw his parents struggle with financial hardship. But what they lacked in wealth, they made it up with their hard work and perseverance. And this early lessons would help him to shape his future business journey. As a child, Harikishan was deeply interested in studies, but due to financial constraints, his family made a deal with him. He could study as long as he spent after school hours helping the local shopkeepers and learning the trade. Working in this market, Harikishan picked up key business lessons: customer preference, supply and demand basics, and the most important, the importance of quality products. At the age of 18, he didn't wait for opportunity, he created them. He started buying from one market and selling them with the margin to the other market. Over time, Harikishan mastered the art of handling customers, learned the importance of supply chain, and developed an understanding of market dynamics. In the 1980s, Harikishan observed something very interesting in the footwear market. He observed that there were only two types of shoes available. One, a high quality, expensive, another low quality, cheap. There was no in between, something that was affordable yet durable for the common man. That's when Harikishan saw a golden opportunity. He realized that if he could create something that was affordable yet durable, it could revolutionize the market. In 1983, Harikishan took the first bold step in the footwear market. He opened Action Shoes in Delhi with the aim of providing affordable shoes to the middle class. But like all great entrepreneurs, he faced a challenge of funds. So he reached out to his friends, families, and pulled in his savings to set it and get it off the ground. With a shoestring budget, Harikishan had to rely on manual operations, making it too time consuming and labor intensive. To add to it, he didn't have enough budget to get highly skilled manpower. But Harikishan was not a man to back out. Now, even after getting the production right, there was one massive challenge: how to get the product to the customer hand, how to set up the distribution channel. Getting the products to the hands of the customer across India was no easy task. But Harikishan had learned something important from his childhood: the art of communication and the art of storytelling. He used this to convince his distributors, retailers, and logistic partners, and guess what? It worked. As Campus Shoes grew, so did its visibility, and that's when they got in Bollywood stars. They got in Varun Dhawan and also cricket star Sachin Tendulkar to sell their products. This gave the brand a massive boost in recognition and trust. Today, Campus is India's largest footwear brand. Today, Campus is one of the largest Indian manufacturer of footwear. It has not only an offline presence, but it also has an online presence. Harikishan's journey from a small, middle-class, humble background to a business tycoon is a testament of how hard work, perseverance, vision, and good storytelling can help you. Harikishan's story is a true inspiration to all the entrepreneurs out there. It goes to show that there's no obstacle too big. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. And you can also share this with someone who requires an entrepreneurial inspiration. Thank you.